Today I want to show you how you can optimize your computer, and if you're concerned about phishing on your device, you can clear all your browser history, close all your tabs, and if you do any kind of online banking on your computer, it'll clear all that history so you're safe. So there will be a link in the description to this website. It's a program called CCleaner. As you can see, we have several options here. The free version, which has limited features, a free trial on which you get premium features for a limited time, and then there's a premium version which has all the features. Today we're just going to be doing the free version, and you hit download. I've already downloaded mine here, so as soon as your download is finished, it'll start automatically after you press this button. It'll bring you down to here, and then you just want to click on that. And then press yes. Minimize the browser. I'm just going to run through this installation process here. Just going to click install. And then they're asking if we want AVG antivirus package with that. We're just going to hit decline. And there you go. The program has launched. I'm just going to click next. Don't really need the tutorial here. And then here we have these programs and Google Chrome that have to be closed to analyze. And then there we have our results right here. So I'm just going to zoom in on this. We have 0 privacy issues here, no junk files, 2 startup apps to disable, and 9 apps that need to be updated for security reasons. So it'll take care of all that. And then on the side there are different menus. So we have custom clean here, which you can go through all your browsers and cleans the cache, cleans out the extensions and all that stuff that you don't need. And then it even goes through your file explorer. And then over here we have registries, which is like files for programs that are also not used and just sitting there that can be deleted. And then in tools, you can uninstall programs, you can update software. Not quite sure what the startup here is all about. And then browser plugins, you can delete those from here as well. As you can see, I have a lot of plugins, and plugins are basically, I'm just going to open Chrome here because I know I have plugins in Chrome. As you can see in Chrome, you can restore all your tabs so that they go right back to being open where you left them. And these extensions, browser extensions, are all right here. You can get them, like you can plug in extensions into your browser to make it easier. So as you can see up here, I have Amazon TubeBuddy, which is a kind of a program that runs alongside YouTube to give you some analytics. Browser BrowSec, I think it's called, which is a VPN that I use while I was in university, and then vidIQ. So those are just an example of some of the plugins that you could have. And then going on down the list here, we have disk analyzer, which goes through all your disks and analyzes for or checks for unused files and anything that can be deleted that's not necessary. And then duplicate files checks for files that are double on your computer that obviously you don't. Sometimes you do need files doubled. You might have them in one location and then have that file again in another location, just for convenience reasons. So it's up to you whether you want to go through that. And then system restore, I'm not exactly sure what this is. And then driver wiper, I'm assuming it wipes your drivers. And this is a CCleaner, so what that means, I'm just going to open the file explorer here. And go to this PC, and as you can see, this is the C drive right here. It's going to be working on this, which is the main drive that has all the Windows files that are used to run the computer. They're all stored in that driver right there. So that's what it's going to be focusing on. That's why this program is called CCleaner. So going back up to health here, as you can see when I did that analyze, when I opened my Chrome, all my tabs were closed. I restored them using Chrome because I'm not worried about any security with these tabs, but all my browsing history and all that will be wiped, which is very nice with this program. And that's pretty much what I wanted to show in this video. As you can see, there's a lot of different kinds of options you can go through here. I'm not going to go into detail on any of them. I'm not 100% sure on what they all do. I still have to go through that. Might have an in-depth review of this program in a future video, so stay tuned. I'll see you in the next one.